Hello guys, welcome to Maths tutorial. Today we will learn to find the derivative of 1 by x. If you like the video, please consider subscribing my channel. Please hit the bell icon to get notification of my new videos. Please like and share it and comment in the comment section. So let's start. Look that 1 by x is a quotient. So we will apply the quotient rule of derivatives here. We know that the general form of a quotient looks like fx by gx, and the derivative of this is as follows: gx times derivative of fx minus fx times derivative of gx by gx whole square. If we compare 1 by x with fx by gx, then we get fx equal to 1 and gx equal to x. Now applying this formula in our case, we get derivative of 1 by x is equal to x times derivative of 1 minus 1 times derivative of x by x square. Now we know that derivative of a constant is 0 and derivative of x is 1. So we get x times 0 minus 1 times 1 in the numerator, and in the denominator we have x square. Simplifying this, we get 0 minus 1 in the numerator and x square remains same in the denominator. And this gives minus 1 by x square as our final answer. Thank you for watching.